Go check all the farm animals with me, mainly chickens. We're gonna check our babies for food and water. First stop is going to be our turkeys and cream leg bar. Good morning. There's our turkeys, and there's a little cream leg bar baby. And then we should have 2 little lavender guineas. There we are. Our food and water looks good. Good morning. Here's our sweet bunny, Nutmeg. Hey, baby. And then Sebastian, who always loves to come see me. Walking up on the main coop, we just got finished. And here's all our little American breast babies. And then Lohman Whites, and then our big girls. And here comes Sebastian. Always looking. So it's a little chick party this morning. They're just kind of moseying around getting something to eat. And then this is our separate silky pen with our big silkies. And then in here we created a temporary nursery. We're gonna make something more permanent with our babies that might get some outside time today. We've got some 6 guineas, some Wellsummers. I'm thinking those were supposed to be Wyandottes, and then I see for sure a gold lace Wyandotte. So these little babies, some of them, and then our 3 little silkies. It's party time. So we're getting a little snack, and they'll get some playtime today. And because it's been so hot, we've had to be changing the water, and we've got fans set up. And going in our big coop, we've got a fan here. Oh, good morning. We've got our laying boxes. Excuse me, pardon me. So we kind of wait in line for one box. Why, I don't know. And then I'll do a video on this really cool counterweight system that lifts up these roosting bars and how we clean this. And then a second gate so we could walk through the main run. They get to typically free range, but since we've kind of changed things up, we're keeping them in until the afternoon so we can get all the eggs not under the coop. Here's our growing panel. We need to put more seed because they have definitely plucked up every little thing that grows. And we'll update later.